Hello everyone, thanks for choosing our channel, Management Technology. Please do like and subscribe our channel to get more updates in the management technology area. By the end of this video, we will be covering following content. Understanding the cost of hiring metric. Calculation of cost of hiring metric. What are all the standard internal and external recruitment costs? Limitations for cost per hire metric. Like the time to hire. The cost per hire, CPH, metric shows how much it costs the company to hire new employees. This also serves as an indicator of the efficiency of the recruitment process. Cost per hire can be time-consuming to work out. There used to be a huge variation in how companies calculated this metric until the Society of Human Resource Management and the American National Standards Institute agreed on a standard formula to calculate cost per hire. The CPH metric is designed to measure the costs associated with the sourcing, recruiting and staffing activities borne by an employer to fill an open position in the organization in a particular time period, like monthly, yearly, etc. As you can see, CPH can be calculated by adding together internal recruiting cost and external recruiting cost divided by total number of hires in a specific time period. Let us first see what is the internal expenses cost variables involved in it. The internal cost variables comprises of all sources of internal resources and costs used for staffing efforts during the particular time period. Some of the examples of the internal cost variables: salary and benefits that are being offered to the recruitment teams, the interview panel members' timing cost, physical recruitment space and technological expenses, which are include, like office rent and subscription fees of Workday, SAP and Oracle recruitment modules etc., can be considered for calculation of internal recruitment expenses. The external cost variables comprise of all sources of spending outside the organization on recruiting efforts during the particular time period. Some of the examples of the external cost variables are job advertisements, fees paid for consultancies or third parties for execution of recruitment process, and also expenses incurred for campus hiring or job fair etc. can be considered for calculation of external recruitment expenses. According to the SHRM and American National Standard Institute, following are the standard external and internal expenses generally required in a recruitment process. External expenses include advertisement cost, background check cost, consultancy fees, campus recruitment cost, employee referral cost, job fair cost, recruitment cost, travel and accommodation cost, relocation expenses, pre-health checkup expenses etc. Internal expense variables include cost of recruitment staff, government expenses like statutory expenses, physical and technological infrastructure expenses, and the interview panel timing expenses etc. Now let us see the process of calculation of cost per hire metric. As per this case, Company A hired total of 300 employees in a year. And also, we can see Company A's internal and external expenses incurred in the year for executing the recruitment process. Let's see calculation of cost per hire for this case in the Excel sheet. Here, you can see both external and internal recruitment expenses incurred for Company A in a year. Firstly, let us sum the total expenses incurred for the external recruitment factors by using the Excel sum formula. Same way, let us sum the internal expenses. Now, we got both internal and external expenses. To arrive at total cost, we need to add both of them. Let us substitute the recruitment cost with number of hires. Now, we got cost per hire in a year for Company A is 2,700 rupees. Hope now you got the clarity on how to calculate the cost per hire metric. Coming to the limitation of CPH. CPH metric does not fully accommodate the HR professionals to evaluate recruitment process efficiency of the organization, as it is dependent on different factors: criticality of position, available talent in the market, and different geographical and political situations, etc. But CPH metric tracking will help to understand cost that is being spent on recruitment process and helps to plan effective budget making process of next year. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to Management Technology channel for more videos on management field. Let's unleash your management capabilities by following our channel content. Thank you very much.